Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the news beat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Did you follow the elections in Kenya? I've never seen anything like it in Africa. Uhuru Kenyatta might be feeling bitter. He had already been declared the winner 3 weeks back by the Election Commission, but he hit a roadblock with the opposition. Raila Odinga had protested the results. He took the case to the Supreme Court. Kenyatta said he would respect their decision, but he was angry about the nullified elections. His reaction raises a lot of questions. Kenya faces a flawed election process with technical issues and tribal stresses. The executive holds too much influence and doesn't bend to judiciary sense. Nullifying these elections is a sign that judges won't just fall into line. The ruling may have created controversy, but it was a win for the democracy. Do you think that Odinga has a chance, even if the presidency is in his hands? The Senate and the Parliament are Kenyatta's men, so there might be too many lions in the den. Still, there is hope in the nullified elections. The judges protected the constitution and upheld free and fair elections. Good luck to Odinga and Kenyatta in round 2 on the 17th of October.
A wave of sadist acts of terror has left many Ugandans living in fear since the Ironbark gangs terrorized citizens in the urban towns early this year. However, in the past 2 months, it's the women that have been the target of criminal brutalities, especially in the parts of Entebbe and Nansana municipalities, where so far 19 women have been raped and killed with extreme cruelty. The women are reported to have been raped and strangled to death and sticks inserted in their private parts before being abandoned in bushes. Katabi Town Council reported the first killing in this manner, and later 4 bodies of women were recovered at Kibuloka and Mastoa zones in Nansana. These random and mysterious brutal killings prompted the Ugandan parliament to halt a normal house proceeding. The House Speaker Honorable Rebecca Kadaga called on the Ministry of Internal Affairs and various organs of security to explain the senseless killings of women that are carried out with impunity. The Security Minister Honorable Lieutenant General Tumukunde also met with the Entebbe Mayor Vincent Kayanja to access the security in the district and avert the looming danger. Between 2014 and 2015, the Ugandan public was shocked by similar incidents as unknown assailants raped and strangled to death, mainly university students. This time officials say the majority were sex workers and the rest were residents. Although these hideous crimes were suspected to be the work of a network of serial killers, investigations are still going on and police has increased security in the affected areas. I'm Ras Jad, reporting for Newsbeats.
You know, it doesn't always show what a person has been through or others make them do. You see, many Ugandans fall victims to human traffickers who promise them foreign jobs as nannies and waiters. But the truth is, once they arrive in Europe, Asia or Middle East, someone else owns their lives and forces them into modern slavery. It's often women who risk to be trafficked and tricked into prostitution with no way out of this terrible situation. Don't be surprised to hear Uganda on the streets of Malaysia. Now here comes a power lady, Agnes Igoye, from the International Affairs Ministry, a woman with grand force who trains the Uganda's counter-trafficking task force. Agnes puts all her energy towards women's safety from trafficking with prize money from the Dila von Fraskenberg Family Foundation. She plans the construction of a center for female trafficking victims, but one strong woman cannot carry the load alone, since not enough is known about human trafficking in Uganda and globally. The problem is not taken as seriously as it should be. Let's hope that the states will collaborate and break the shackles of this $150 industry of slavery. As we wait for the Black Panther's movie release, another African heroine is hot on her heels.
Meet Marvel's new superhero Ngozi, a Nigerian comic character you must go see. She's in a comic called Blessing in Disguise, and for many, Ngozi was a welcome surprise. She appears in Marvel's Venomverse anthology, and her character is based on a true life story. Remember the Chibok girls in the 2014 abduction? Ngozi started from their story and inspiration. The actions of Boko Haram caused devastation, but the survivors showed strong determination.
But who's behind Ngozi's story?
A writer who's driven by diversity, award-winning Nigerian writer Nandi Okorafo, a sci-fi writer and comic book author. She wants comic heroines with more diversity, with dreams, flaws and strong personalities. Ngozi can be a hero for girls in Nigeria and an inspiration to writers in Africa. For those who dream of joining the Marvel team and those who want to feature strong heroines, forget Wonder Woman and X-Men Storm. Ngozi is a superheroine in top form. I'm MC Loy, reporting for Newsbeat.
That was the news on the beat. Next week will be another hit. still ladies like reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.